If you clicked on this video, then it means that you're bored of coding. It just doesn't strike the same joy it used to just a few months ago. And even though before you could work for the whole day, now you're waiting for the coding block on your calendar to get over. You avoid coding the actually important bits and bury yourself in the useless rule changes. And if you relate with any one of these, then these two simple tips can help you out a lot. The first of which is to control your dopamine. Now, here's an extremely simple explanation of dopamine. Coding gives less dopamine, scrolling social media gives more. So, your brain does the scrolling. But if there is no scrolling and just coding, your brain's gonna code. Another tip I can give here is to control your dopamine baseline. Now, coding only feels boring if it's below your current dopamine baseline. So, to keep this baseline as low as possible, do unstimulating tasks before coding and during the breaks in the coding session. The second tip is to challenge yourself more. When your work is too challenging, you get anxiety, and if it's too easy, you get bored. Now, there's a middle ground in between both of these in which you will enter the state of flow. And for your case, if your coding feels too boring, just try adding some more challenge to it. An example of a challenge you can set while coding is coding in a really short time limit, building using a new technology that you're not very familiar with, or joining a competitive hackathon if you have other people who also want to do so. I hope these tips helped you out, and if they did, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.